Today we're looking at the top 3 lead magnets to use for seller leads. Let's begin. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day: what are you using for seller lead generation? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so first let's understand, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is nothing more than an incentive offered to potential clients in exchange for their contact information. In other words, it's the strategy of providing something of perceived value so people willingly give you their contact information in exchange for that value. All right, well, now that we have an understanding of what lead magnets are, let's look at the top seller lead magnets. The first seller lead magnet is offering a home estimate. When you provide a home estimate as a lead magnet, you're offering to provide a realistic price of someone's home. And the reason that this works is that everybody is interested in learning what the price of their home could potentially be. There's a reason that the Zestimate became so popular. And the correct way to present this lead magnet is by running ads that highlight a property that just sold. In other words, a just sold campaign, or educating people on property taxes and offering to help contest their property taxes, or for you investors out there, offering to present an instant offer for the home. And the second seller lead magnet is the single story home list. With this lead magnet, you're offering a list of single story homes. And the reason that this works is that you're speaking to a specific pain point. You're going to be speaking to people that have 2-story homes. In other words, people that are looking to sell their 2-story home and downsizing into a single story. Now, I can personally attest to this because this strategy actually worked on me prior to me becoming a real estate agent. I had a 2-story home and I never went to that second story. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. Also, don't forget to check out my free Facebook Ads Essentials course, link in description. And the way to present this seller lead magnet is by running an ad that speaks to downsizing. And the third seller lead magnet is the renovation cheat sheet. This seller lead magnet offers a cheat sheet on renovations that make homeowners money. And the reason that this works is that everybody wants to make the right decision when they're renovating. They want to know that the money that they're spending into a property, they're going to be able to earn back when they sell. Now, there are several ways to present this seller lead magnet, but the ad copy that I found works the best is by offering to show people renovations that actually make them money. All right, so now that you have the top 3 lead magnets to attract seller leads, you might be interested in learning how to actually run a Facebook ad campaign that actually converts. I'll leave that video right here so you can take a view. And if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.